Morning. That is how you do a wooden roller coaster. We queued about 1 hour for Ghost Ride. I don't know if you can see it behind me, but that, the airtime, the forces, the speed, the drop, that was all, that might be one of my favorite coasters. That was unreal. I go as far as to say that's probably my second favourite Gertzler now, just behind the Smiler. Definitely better than Saw. Airtime on the drop was great, great inversions, good lap bar restraints, lovely. That launch probably isn't as strong as Stealth's, but nice to have some twists and turns after. And that was my 80th cred as well, so lovely jubbly. Shin bars might be the worst thing ever invented. Well, that was fun. That was fun, and now they've sent us into the arcade. I thought Ninjago was hard work, but that was a really, really unique ride. Now we're going to go on Pony Express. surprisingly not that bad.
It seems a lot longer than 30 minutes. Look, it goes.
It's better be worth a 60-minute wait. It wasn't too bad. Most like what?
Full ticket one.
That has blown me away. Silver bullet, as you see it comes around there. The drop was actually the worst bit of that. Everything else, the inversions, my legs still flew really weird after that. I didn't think it was, came into this not expecting it to rival Nemesis or Nemesis Inferno, but that really does. That is a mental attraction. We are leaving a bit early now from Knott's. It's busy, it's hot, we're tired. We've got another full day at Disney tomorrow. Definitely needed more time to experience this park to the full. But I've really enjoyed my time here, getting on the 4 big coasters. Great new additions to my ranking. I'm up to about 83 creds now. Thank you so much for joining me here from Knott's. Of course, watch the other videos from the trip when they come out. But yeah, I got a couple of off-road POVs from this park coming as well. But like, subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified when new videos come out. And I'll see you in the next video.